Okay, we got our welder down here. A nice long extension cord there. It goes all the way down to here. I pre-made this welder. I can go anywhere on the property with it, so I have lots of extension cords. So that's ready to weld over here now. We're welding on top of rug, which is flammable as hell. So I put a bunch of, I put the steel plate here, wood, cardboard. I got a bucket of water, I got a fire extinguisher. Got more cardboard over here, so hopefully it's enough protection. I got the piece put in here that we're going to weld in. I got this plate across here that puts it flat, and then I lay the plate, the repair piece in here, and got these two clamps here holding it in. So I'm going to go ahead and weld it on the inside in here, and then I'll on the outside I'll figure out what I want to do. And we got these big gap fills in here I got to deal with, so I'll figure out what I want to do with that too. I might just weld it, or I might do something different. I don't know yet. These holes right here don't go through into the tank, so these don't matter. They're just extra holes that aren't needed. That's where they bolted on that carrier piece that went all the way across that we don't have anymore, so we don't care. Alright, so pretty much ready to see how the welding is going to go. Let's see if I'm any good today. My weld quality varies with the time of day I'm doing it and what the welder wants to do. If the welder doesn't want to weld, I don't weld. Ground source. That might not be it. Thought it'd be a one. Up in that direction it is. Whoa. Wood behind me. Alright. Now for the fun part. So how much of a mess are we going to make here? We'll see. Tacked in now. Piece a little further down. Almost see what I'm doing. Silicone don't like to weld. Access to get in here. Tight quarters. Top of my head's getting burnt for some reason. Yeah, a little warm. Not too bad. I don't want to hold on for a long time though. Alright, so from the outside it's nice and flush, that's good. From the inside, get it welded through there, get it tacked pretty heavy right there. And then over here, got a good bead there and got it tacked pretty heavy over here. So I'm going to fill all these beads in. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to do about the gap fill part. Yeah, I might just start welding the piss out of it and call it done. For some reason this is sticking up here, probably because it's not flat. So, yeah. That is definitely on. Hold on to that too much. It's smoking when I touch it. That's piece of here. Not quite as hot. So is the machine warped or is it pulled in here? Machine's warped. See? It comes up pretty good. That comes up here and it doesn't catch on it, see? That means that's not sticking out. This is sticking in. So when they welded this all in here, they pulled this triangle piece in, see? Catch on just a little bit. So, more than likely it probably won't go in at all. Appears to be pretty solid. I don't think it's going to go in any. Because I got a huge weld right there. I'm going to leave it. Alright. So that's how you weld that up. So I'm not sure about all this gap fill thing yet. I've decided. Probably just weld it solid. It's easier. Fill it right in. It's a lot easier doing it that way. So easy is always my favorite way of doing things. Alright, so we're going to do a little more welding. I don't know if it's worth videotaping this or not, so if in doubt, videotape it, right? We'll see it out. Maybe you'll see a big fire. I've had that before. Of course, I got the hood on, I can't see the fire, so I won't know until it's burning good. Alright. So far it's welding halfway decent. This. blinding me. Whew. Fumes are building up in here too. Yeah, welding through that silicone's not fun, but it's welded. I think half blinded, so it's hard to tell. Maybe, maybe not. Can't see a big sun ball in my eyeballs. There's a hole there, should be filled now. Hopefully. Alright. Alright, it's hard to see it with the sun ball in your eyeballs. Alright, a bunch more silicone over here. Probably a smart thing to do is scrape it off with it. Never been known for being smart, but it's a problem. Some of it's not. Part this in the way, right? What happens? All right. About a 5/8 inch gap fill there. Fill that hole in. That'll help. All right. Might be warm. Pretty well vouch for that. So on this side, holes are filled. Definitely hot. On this side here, you can see there's a hole right there I didn't get. So you can see light through it. Somewhere down in there is a hole. So we'll do more welding from there. But I'm going to come here and weld it from this side too, so it'll be 100% full what I'm doing. So this is a nice thick weld. Alright, so anyway, that's how you do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side. I'm going to weld this from this side also, and then we'll grind it all down to make it smooth. Should be a nice flush finish when we're done. Alright, that's it for this. We'll be back in a little bit.